Hi, I'm Robbie Fletcher and you are on my channel. Today I will show the work and settings of the bot from my videos. Look in the description for the video, there is a link leading to the bot to MetaMask. We'll have to wait a little while the archive is loaded. Open the archive and unpack it to your desktop, preferably where there are no files, so that there is no error. Folder name of your choice. We transfer our free trading bot there and launch it. Many wrote that the bot does not work and gives some kind of error. Now I will prove to you that this is not the case and also show you how to customize any bot from my videos. Next, we need to go to our MetaMask wallet and copy our address and paste it in the same place as me. Then we need to click 3 dots, then account details, then click the private export key, enter the MetaMask password, copy the key, and paste it where I am. Then the bot setup itself will take me a little longer than your video. Stop the video and set up the bot in the same way as in the video. Before inserting the token, check everything carefully, otherwise the bot will simply not work and will generate an error. And if everything is done correctly, then there will be no messages that the bot is not working. And only after that we are ready to indicate our token, which we will also buy and sell. Start. Our bot starts looking for a suitable minimum gas to buy a token. It takes a little time. Now I will show it to you. The bot itself bought the currency. As you can see, we have -8%, that is, if I sell now, I will lose this part of the amount that I bought. The bot has a feature that goes beyond automatic buying and selling. So you don't have to wait for hours at the crank to see if the heading will go up or down. We indicate in these fields the percentage at which we want to sell or buy, that's all. Good luck.